crosses have stood the test of time. You can see the design, you can see the artwork. Pilgrims have been coming, Christians have been coming, and so here we are today to put these boards up so that the visitors of today can understand what they actually stand for and see where they've come from, what they look like and why they are. We hope that all the visitors will enjoy looking and seeing the signs that have been put up by the craftsmen of today. Even the screws have had to be the right material so they don't rust and they won't show the stains. So thank you to everybody who's been so involved.
One of my tasks as Bishop is to act as an advocate and ambassador for the Isle of Man on my travels to other parts of the British Isles and indeed beyond. I speak of the crosses that we have here in the churchyard as being a unique and priceless part of European, indeed global, historical culture. And the fact that we've now been able today to put up some information signs to codify these things, to draw people's attention to them in our own time as part of the modern experience, enabling people to look back over our Christian history, is a wonderful thing. We draw people's attention to this great priceless historic treasure, which has been here for centuries, is here now for people to enjoy today, and which we pray will be here for centuries to come.
We got there.